The U.S. death toll from coronavirus now stands at nearly 95,000. Much of the country is beginning to reopen just in time for the Memorial Day weekend. We have Ian Lee joining us now from London. And Ian, as you know, as you've been following this, a lot of states reopening in the next couple of weeks, especially here in Minnesota. A lot of news about what will happen here.
Good morning, Heather. As you know, retail shops were given the green light to open on Monday. Next up, a June 1st date for a reopening of places like restaurants and salons there. This relaxing of stay-at-home orders across the country means more people are interacting, but health officials fear this could spark a second wave of the coronavirus. President Trump tried to downplay the concerns while touring a Ford factory in Michigan. He told reporters that he's been told a second wave is a very distinct possibility and that the government will put out any of those fires, but he was adamant that the country wouldn't close again, especially after nearly 39 million Americans have filed for unemployment benefits since March.
All right, Ian, we know that the weather here in Minnesota is not going to be all that great this weekend and the unofficial start to summer, but that still doesn't mean we need to be, we don't need to be careful about being outside in the sun.
Yeah, surprisingly, the weather is beautiful here. But, you know, you need to be more and more careful now, especially because most of us have been spending a lot more time indoors. Dermatologists say we're at increased risk for damage and sunburn when we step out. They recommend sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and a broad spectrum that blocks harmful UVA and B rays. And this might surprise you, but dermatologists recommend wearing sunscreen indoors to block those harmful rays coming through the window. But also there's new research that suggests our electronic devices are also emitting rays that could contribute to aging our skin and possibly to the development of cancer.
Okay, good reminder to wear that sunscreen. And Ian, I don't know about this one. We're hearing reports of an increase in hauntings. I don't know what you say there about that one.
Well, Heather, more and more people are finding something strange in their neighborhoods. Since the lockdown began, paranormal investigator Jason Haas says his website, the Atlantic Paranormal Society, has seen a 35% jump in reports of hauntings, while the host of the Discovery Channel's Ghost Nation says he believes some are the real deal. Others likely have a simpler explanation, like wood drying out or the popping sounds you get in warmer weather. While there's no scientific evidence of ghosts, a recent survey found 45% of adults in the U.S. say they believe. If you think your house is haunted and are afraid, just tell them to knock it off. And to answer your initial question, Heather, I ain't afraid of no ghost.
No, you are not, Ian. Oh my gosh, I love this movie. Great. Ian Lee reporting from London. Thank you so much. We really appreciate talking to you. It's a big change.